Hey, Chrissy here. Alright, so today I am using my Bella cooker. It's like an Instant Pot, but less expensive, but it works just as well. So today I'm going to make some carnitas. So I got about 3 pounds of pork, Boston butt. Then I got 2 different recipes here, so I'm kind of adjusting them together. So what I've done so far, I think they call it michoux pas, whatever. I got all of my dry ingredients together, which is cumin, oregano, coriander, chili powder, cayenne pepper. Then I'm going to put some garlic cloves in it, the juice of 2 oranges, juice 2 limes. Gotta cut that onion up and stick it in. I got 3/4 of a cup of Mexican Coca-Cola. But first I have to cut up my pork into cubes and then saute it. And while I'm here, I'm going to put the saute on. Get that getting ready. And the last time I did it, I pressure cooked it for an hour. But this time I'm going to start slow cooking it instead. And then I will pressure cook it later when my husband gets home. Alright, so I'm going to pause while I cut up some porky. Alright, so I got most of it cubed up. It was still slightly frozen, so my hands are cold. But that's what's left. But because it's frozen and there's a bone in there, I'm just going to leave this whole piece. That way you get some of the marrow from the bone. So, going to oil up the pan and put her in. Okay. We'll test, see if it's ready. Oh yeah. Listen to that. Now we're going to just brown the meat up. This is a little bit smaller of one. Probably going to do it in 2 batches. So while I finish up browning the meat, I'm going to juice my lovely limes and oranges. I got this little bad girl from the free table at work, and I love it. It catches all the little seeds if you have like a lemon. These are pretty much seedless, so it smells amazing and it makes the meat taste so delish. Alright, last step. I'm going to add all the other ingredients. There's my dry ingredients. The 2 lemons and 2 oranges. And the Coca-Cola from Mexico in the glass bottles. Just has a better flavor. Whoops! And I just dropped my spoon. No. Yeah, let's go get another one. There we go. We're going to stir it together. That way we get the spices everywhere. It smells amazing. Got some in my eye. Okay. Now, put the lid on. Lock it. Make sure it's on release. Because I am not, here we go. I'm not pressure cooking this. I am slow cooking it. So we're going to go here and hit the pressure one more time. So that lights up. Set it and forget it. There we go, we're done. when it's done, I'll take it out. My husband likes to keep it in the chunks. And the one that still had the bone, oh, wait, nope, I'm not done. We're going to, I'm going to shred, but I forgot the important ingredients. I forgot the onions and the garlic. Then I will set it and forget it. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you'd like this recipe, just comment below and I'll write it down for you all. But, all right. Took a break from cleaning for a little bit of organizing. I was getting a little stressed out. It gets a little mind-boggling sometimes. But I will go back at it tomorrow on my day off. So, later.